Welcome to UK Learnings. After watch this video, please subscribe to our channel to give us your support. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get upcoming videos. Good luck for your exam.
How should you apply the foot brake when you're stopping normally, progressively and smoothly, easing off the brake as the car comes to a rest? B. Sharply, maintaining firm pressure until the car stops. C. Lightly at first, then by rapid cadence braking. D. Gently, well after selecting a low gear. The correct answer is progressively and smoothly, easing off the brake as the car comes to a rest. Explanation: progressive braking is a safe driving technique, which allows other drivers time to react and is more comfortable for your passengers. This will help to prevent skidding, and saves wear on brakes, tires and suspension. You're making a right turn. What could you do if you think your indicators might be difficult to see? A. Turn as quickly as you can. B. Give an arm signal to emphasize the indicator. C. Veer from side to side as you slow down. D. Put the indicator on later. The correct answer is B. Give an arm signal to emphasize the indicator. Explanation: you should always do your best to make other road users aware of your intentions. If you think your indicator might not be seen, or your intentions might not be clear, then giving an arm signal as well may be helpful. How would it be illegal for a provisional license holder to drive with passengers in the rear seats? B. If they're under 18 years old. C. At more than 30 miles per hour. D. Without an accompanying driver. The correct answer is D. Without an accompanying driver. Explanation: when driving a motor car, a learner driver who holds a provisional driving license must display red L plates, or D plates in Wales, to the front and rear of the vehicle. Be insured to drive the vehicle. Be accompanied by someone who's at least 21 years old and who has held for at least 3 years, and still holds, a full license for the category of vehicle being driven. You're following a large vehicle around a slight left-hand bend. How would you get the best view of the road ahead? A. By keeping well over to the left-hand side of the road. B. By keeping close to the rear of the vehicle. C. By keeping out towards the center of the road. D. By keeping well back from the vehicle. The correct answer is D. By keeping well back from the vehicle. Explanation: by keeping well back from the large vehicle, you'll increase your view past it. This will allow you to see further down the road and be prepared for any hazards. You're on a 2-lane dual carriage way. When would you use the right-hand lane? A. When driving at a constant high speed. B. When making normal progress. C. When overtaking slower traffic. D. When driving at the minimum allowed speed. The correct answer is C. When overtaking slower traffic. Explanation: normally, you should travel in the left-hand lane and use the right-hand lane only for overtaking or turning right. Move back into the left-hand lane as soon as it's safe, but don't cut across the path of the vehicle you've just overtaken. What does the continuous white line at the side of the road indicate? A. No overtaking. B. There are traffic lights ahead. C. The edge of the carriage way. D. The footpath on the left. The correct answer is C. The edge of the carriage way. Explanation: a continuous white line is often seen along the edge of the road. Its purpose is to mark the edge of the carriage way. This can be helpful in conditions of poor visibility, such as when it's foggy or at night. What does it mean if you see a vehicle showing a flashing green light? A. The vehicle is being used by a road safety patrol. B. The vehicle is being used to carry a wide load. C. The vehicle is being used by a doctor on an emergency call. D. The vehicle is being used by the police on non-urgent duties. The correct answer is C. The vehicle is being used by a doctor on an emergency call. Explanation: if you see a vehicle with a flashing green light, allow it to pass when you can do so safely. It will be a doctor on an emergency call. Someone's life could depend on the driver making good progress through the traffic. Under the New Drivers Act, a new driver will have their license revoked if they get 6 or more penalty points on their license. This only applies to drivers after they pass their first practical driving test. Over what period of time does it apply? A. 4 years. B. 3 years. C. 5 years. D. 2 years. The correct answer is D. 2 years. Explanation: special rules applied to drivers within 2 years of the date of passing their first driving test. If the number of penalty points on their license reaches 6 or more as a result of offenses they commit before the 2 years are up, including any points they acquired before passing their test, their license will be revoked. If that happens, they must start again from the beginning, apply for a provisional license and go through the qualifying process as a learner driver, with all that this entails. You're driving at night with your headlights on main beam. A vehicle overtakes you. When should you dip your headlights? A. When the other driver dips their headlights. B. Before the vehicle starts to pass you. C. As soon as the vehicle passes you. D. Sometime after the vehicle has passed you. The correct answer is C. As soon as the vehicle passes you. Explanation: on main beam, your headlights are liable to dazzle a driver who's overtaken you. For this reason, you should dip your headlights as soon as the overtaking vehicle passes you. When following another vehicle at night, make sure that your headlights are on dipped beam and the light beam falls short of the vehicle in front. What does your vehicle's catalytic converter reduce? A. Harmful compounds in the exhaust emissions. B. How long it takes for the engine to warm up. C. Damage to the engine caused by using dirty fuel. D. How much noise the engine produces. The correct answer is A. Harmful compounds in the exhaust emissions. Explanation: catalytic converters are exhaust treatment systems that remove most of the harmful compounds from the exhaust gases. These include carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides and hydrocarbons. The converter only deals with toxic, polluting gases. Carbon dioxide is still produced.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe UK Learning's YouTube channel. Share with your friends and family. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get more videos. Your support will encourage us to make more videos. We wish you all the best for your exam.